So, you wanted to open your Snapchat account on web. This is really helpful if you don't have the app on your phone. Now, let's start. First, open your web browser and type for snapchat.com. At the top left corner, select the menu and click Accounts. Now, it will ask for your username or email. So, I have my saved password, so I'll just click it and tap Next. Now, type your password and click Next button. Now, here you go, you're all done. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.